How to send from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you this quick and easy tutorial. Now, you first want to head over to the Coinbase application right here because we need to go ahead and get our address on the account from our Coinbase. So you want to hit on the transfer button below your screen. From here, you simply want to click on receive crypto. And once inside, you can then go ahead and choose the crypto that you want to receive from your Phantom wallet. Let's go ahead and select Bitcoin. And from here, you can now go ahead and see your wallet address or your Coinbase address. You simply want to click on the copy button. Head over to the Phantom wallet. And once inside, you can then go ahead and see a huge send button. Just go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and click the token. And from here, you can then go ahead and paste the address. Click on next. Enter the amount that you want to transfer to your Coinbase account. And from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.